Five Instagram-worthy places to visit in Taipei, Taiwan. Taiwan could be the next best thing to visit next to Japan or Korea. For aside that it's much cheaper, the country also had 4 different seasons you can enjoy. Though the weather could be a bit confusing at times, for winter here is usually warm, while summer are hot and wet, with occasional typhoons and thunderstorms. Nevertheless, the beauty of the place as well as the culture is something that would make you want to go back again and again. In this vlog, I'll be giving you 5 Instagram-worthy places you should not miss to visit in Taipei, Taiwan. But before I run down the list, let me give you first a short story of my recent Taiwan trip.
We're in the airport in Taiwan, and we're inside here at the limousine, courtesy of Grand Hyatt Hotel. Hi guys.
Hello again.
Hello again.
Taiwan recently opens a no visa entry for Filipino travelers to encourage more tourists in the country. Grabbing the opportunity, I decided to book a trip to the country last November 2017. Fast forward to the day of our trip, it was 6 in the morning when we arrived. The weather was cold but still warm, so wearing a light jacket would still be advisable. Riding a limo transport courtesy of our accommodation made our trip even exciting. Now, on to our hotel. Welcome to the Grand Hyatt Hotel.
Sorry.
We have different restaurants.
We're going straight?
Yes, going straight
Oh,
to
okay. So we don't need to check in?
in the room.
Okay.
The Grand Hyatt Hotel is actually a stone throw away from Taipei 101, but there's a better place to see this beautiful skyscraper, which I will tell you in just a short while. First, let me tour you on our room.
Pretty sweet.
Now that we are settled, it's time to run down the 5 Instagram-worthy places you should visit in Taipei, Taiwan.
We're at the rooftop Grand Hyatt Hotel.
Number 1. Huashan 1914 Creative Park. Huashan 1914 Creative Park is a former winery called Taihuku Winery during the Japanese rule. It was built in 1914 and considered as one of Taiwan's largest wine producers throughout the 1920s. Today, Huashan 1914 Creative Park serves as Taipei's primary creative arts center. If you are into what's hip and hot, but also like seeing a touch of history, this is the place you should visit. Up to our second destination. If you are looking for a nice photo of the whole Taipei skyline, a short hiking at the Elephant Mountain should be a part of your list. Elephant Mountain, also known as Jiangshan, is a mountain in Xinyi District, Taipei, Taiwan. Popular place for photographers and tourists for a 180-degree view of the city. This is also a great place to watch the beautiful skyscraper, Taipei 101. Number 3. Maokong Gondola, Taipei Zoo. Riding an MRT to the southeastern side of Taipei, you'll reach Taipei Zoo. But if you're not really into animals, a ride at the Maokong Gondola is the next best thing to do. The Maokong Gondola has 6 stations, 4 passenger stations and 2 angle stations. Starting with the Taipei Zoo Station, Taipei Zoo South Station, Xinan Temple Station, and lastly, the Maokong Station, where a line of restaurants and a scenic view is waiting. Number 4. Taipei Expo Park. Taipei Expo Park is a multifunctional park located in Zhongshan, Taipei. It is divided into 3. The Huashan Park Area, Fine Arts Park Area, and Ximending Park Area. There are lots of amazing spots to take pictures in here, like the pyramid, the long flower garden, and other unique designs and architectures.
So, we have 75 restaurants.
Within Taipei Expo Park, you'll find Maji Square. Maji is an immensely fun and interactive space with a huge food court inside of it. You can enjoy your lunch or dinner in here. Number 5. Chiang Kai Shek Memorial Hall. Ready your Taiwanese-inspired OOTD and start it here at Chiang Kai Shek Memorial Hall. Considered as a national museum in Taiwan, National Chiang Kai Shek Memorial Hall has been one of the famous landmark and tourist attraction erected in memory of the former president of the Republic of China, Chiang Kai Shek. But wait, there's more! 2 restaurants you should add on the list. PS Bubu Cafe and Modern Toilet Restaurant. Reenact Dao Minsu and Shang Chai's first date at PS Bubu Cafe. With this very hip and vintage place, you could definitely not resist to take some shots at the place. Modern Toilet Restaurant is a unique bathroom-themed restaurant chain based in Taiwan, with several branches throughout Asia. Everything in the 2,800 square foot restaurant is based on items from a bathroom. Also, do not forget, if you are already in Ximending, enjoy the shops and other restaurants in the place. You can also walk a few meters and you'll find Bopilao Old Street, which is something you can visit if you do have some extra time. Congratulations guys, for you have reached almost the end of the vlog. Do not forget to subscribe and put the thumbs up, especially if you find this vlog very helpful. Until next time, this is Nognog in the City, signing off.